Today, I've got something extraordinary in store for you. I'm about to unveil a technique that Neville Goddard exclusively shared with his most privileged clients. This method holds the potential to manifest a significant sum of money, possibly even millions of dollars, in an astonishingly short period. Neville Goddard's secret money method is your ticket to wealth. However, it has remained hidden from public view, accessible to just a chosen handful. But what if I told you there's an undisclosed technique capable of propelling a vast fortune into your life swiftly? A technique with the potential to materialize millions of dollars for you. Before I disclose this method, I have a small favor to ask. Kindly support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. It would mean the world to me and enable me to reach more people who could benefit from this knowledge. Thank you for your generosity and kindness. This secret technique is about to revolutionize your life forever. You will learn how to apply this secret to manifest money, wealth, love, and all your heart desires. Today, I would like to share with you the keys to unlocking the effortless way, delving into the fascinating principle of least action, all through the profound lens of Neville Goddard's teachings. Why is this crucial? Because most folks unknowingly believe that what they desire is distant when they engage in their visualizations or mental scenes. It's like they're subconsciously placing their dreams at a distance from themselves. Understanding the effortless way and the principle of least action is a game changer. It transforms your perception of time and teaches you to activate the positron, a concept that even earned Richard Feynman a Nobel Prize. Let's dive in. 1. Least action unveiled. Navigating physics and imagination. Least action, a governing force in physics, dictates everything from the trajectory of planets to the path of light pulses. It's the marriage of minimal energy and time. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Applying least action to your desires means moving from your current state to your desired one with minimal effort and in the shortest possible time. Forget the idea of physical distance, it's all about psychological shifts. Your journey isn't a trek, it's a psychological evolution. 2. The psychological journey. Dissolving the illusion of distance. Your journey from one state of consciousness to another is purely psychological. In this mental realm, everything is interconnected. Forget physical distances, they're illusions. Understanding that the external world is a projection of your internal state is the key. It's not a physical journey, it's all in your mind. To transition successfully, embrace the psychological equivalent of least action, assumption. Your assumptions, not your steps, bridge the gap. 3. Law of assumption. Attention minus effort. The law of assumption operates with the equation of attention minus effort. Developing the mental muscle allows you to effortlessly hold your attention on your imaginal acts. It's not about straining to visualize, it's about comfortably dwelling in your mental scenes. This psychological journey doesn't require physical effort, it's an inner exploration. Your future state is already finished, your assumptions merely bring it into focus. You've likely experimented with various manifestation techniques, investing significant time and effort, only to see minimal or no results. But what if I told you that there is a way to supercharge your manifestation process even more? A way to activate a hidden force within you that can make your desires come true faster and easier than ever before? A way to tap into the positron, the positive counterpart of the electron, and use it to create a positive feedback loop in your reality? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually based on science and spirituality, and it's something that Neville Goddard himself taught to his VIP students in his private lectures. I'm going to share with you this secret technique that can help you create anything you want effortlessly by activating the positron. What is the positron? The positron is a subatomic particle that has the same mass as an electron, but with a positive charge instead of a negative one. It was discovered in 1932 by Carl Anderson, who observed it in cosmic rays. He named it the positron because it was the opposite of the electron. The positron is also known as the anti-electron, because when it meets an electron, they annihilate each other and produce gamma rays. This is called matter-antimatter annihilation, and it's one of the most powerful reactions in the universe. But what does this have to do with reality creation? Well, according to Neville Goddard, everything. He believed that the positron represents the positive aspect of our imagination, while the electron represents the negative aspect. He said that our imagination is composed of both positive and negative particles, and that we can choose which ones to activate by our attention and feeling. He said that when we imagine something with feeling, we create a positron in our mind, which then attracts an electron from the outside world. This creates a bridge of incidents that leads us to our desired outcome. He called this process the law of identical harvest, which means that we reap what we sow in our imagination. However, he also warned us that if we imagine something with fear or doubt, we create an electron in our mind, which then attracts a positron from the outside world. This creates a bridge of incidents that leads us away from our desired outcome. He called this process the law of reversed effort, which means that we get the opposite of what we want by trying too hard. He said that the key to successful manifestation is to activate only the positrons in our mind, and avoid activating the electrons. He said that this way, we can create a positive feedback loop in our reality, where every positron attracts another positron, and every electron annihilates itself. He said that this way, we can create anything we want effortlessly. How to activate the positron? So how do we activate only the positrons in our mind, and avoid activating the electrons? How do we create a positive feedback loop in our reality? Well, Neville Goddard gave us a simple and effective technique that he taught to his VIP students in his private lectures. He called it the effortless way, and it's based on the principle of least action. The principle of least action is a physical law that states that nature always takes the path of least resistance and least effort. It means that everything in nature moves and behaves in the most efficient and economical way possible. For example, water flows downhill, light travels in straight lines, planets orbit around stars. Neville Goddard applied this principle to our imagination and said that we should also use the path of least resistance and least effort when we want to manifest something. He said that we should not force or strain our imagination, but rather let it flow naturally and effortlessly. He said that we should not try to make things happen, but rather let things happen. He said that the effortless way consists of 3 simple steps. 1. Define your desire clearly and precisely. Know exactly what you want and why you want it. 2. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Feel as if you already have what you want and enjoy it fully. 3. Drop it completely. Let go of your desire and forget about it completely. He said that by following these 3 steps, we activate only the positrons in our mind, which then attract more positrons from the outside world. He said that by doing this, we create a positive feedback loop in our reality, where everything works out for us perfectly and effortlessly. He said that this technique is so powerful and effective that it can create miracles in our lives. He said that he used it himself many times to manifest his own desires, such as traveling the world, becoming a successful author and speaker, meeting his true love. He also shared many stories of his students who used this technique to manifest their own desires, such as healing from diseases, finding their ideal partners, getting their dream jobs, winning the lottery. He said that this technique works for anything and everything, no matter how big or small, how easy or hard, how possible or impossible. He said that there is nothing that we cannot create by using the effortless way. He said that the only limit is our own imagination and belief. He said that we can create anything we want effortlessly by activating the positron. Are you ready to try it? If you are ready to try this technique and create anything you want effortlessly by activating the positron, here is a simple exercise that Neville Goddard taught to his VIP students at the end of his lectures. It's a step-by-step guide that will help you apply the effortless way in your own life. Here is what you need to do. 1. Choose something that you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything that you desire, such as money, health, love, success, happiness. Make sure that it is something that you really want and that it makes you feel good. 2. Write down your desire on a piece of paper or on your phone. Be as specific and detailed as possible. For example, if you want money, write down how much money you want, when you want it, how you want to receive it, what you want to do with it. 3. Read your desire aloud or silently to yourself. Feel the reality of your words. Imagine that what you are reading is true and already happening in your life. 4. Close your eyes and relax your body and mind. Breathe deeply and calmly. Enter into a state of meditation or hypnosis, where you are fully aware but detached from your surroundings. 5. In this state, imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. See yourself in the scene as if you are there right now. Use all your senses to make it as vivid and realistic as possible. For example, if you want money, imagine yourself holding a check with the amount of money you want, or looking at your bank account with the balance of money you want, or spending the money on something that you want. 6. Feel the emotion of having your desire fulfilled. Feel the joy, gratitude, satisfaction, love, peace that comes with having what you want. Feel it as if it is real and happening right now. 7. Repeat this scene over and over again in your mind until it feels natural and normal to you. Do not worry about how long it takes or how many times you have to repeat it. Just enjoy the feeling of having your desire fulfilled. 8. When you feel that it is done, open your eyes and return to your normal state of consciousness. Put away your paper or phone with your desire written on it. Do not look at it again or think about it again. 9. Go about your day as usual. Do not try to make things happen or look for signs or evidence of your manifestation. Do not worry about when or how it will happen. Just trust that it is done and that it will happen in the best way possible for you. 10. Be open and receptive to any opportunities or synchronicities that may come your way. Follow your intuition and take inspired action if you feel guided to do so. Be grateful for everything that happens in your life and expect the best. That's it. You have just activated the positron and created a positive feedback loop in your reality. Now all you have to do is wait for your desire to manifest effortlessly in your life. Remember, this technique works for anything and everything. You can use it as many times as you want for as many desires as you have. You can create anything you want effortlessly by activating the positron. So what are you waiting for? Try it now and see for yourself. I hope this information we talked about here has inspired and empowered you to create your own reality effortlessly by activating the positron. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family who may benefit from it too. Thank you for tuning in and happy manifesting. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.